Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to be making some Play-Doh Valentine's Day cookies. We're going to start by using our Frosting Fun Bakery to make some cookies, and I have rolled out some brown cookie dough. So we're going to lay that there and just use a cup to cut out some dough that will fit right here. We'll press down, and this should make a heart-shaped cookie. There we go. And now we can add some frosting. I added some red Play-Doh to the extruder, and we're going to use that to frost our cookie. Okay, here we go. Okay, there's some red frosting. And we can add some hearts to that as well. Next, we'll use one of the molds to make some little hearts to decorate the cookie. So there's one. And there's another. And here's how our first cookie turned out. Okay, and now for cookie number 2. Still using the heart shape. For this cookie, I have rolled out some pink Play-Doh, and I'm going to use my heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out some frosting. And that should fit right onto that. That looks pretty cute. I think we can put some sprinkles on that. And then we'll have cookie number 2. I used hot pink, light pink, and red Play-Doh and rolled it between my fingers to make some little sprinkles. And now we can decorate the pink frosting with those. I don't know, guys, I think this one looks good enough to eat. I'm going to use our biggest cookie cutter to make our last cookie. So I've rolled out some pink dough. Take the cookie cutter, press that down into it. Excess Play-Doh. There we have a nice big heart that we can decorate. Okay, for our last big cookie, I have got some Play-Doh rolled out, and we are going to use a couple of different things to make some polka dots to decorate our cookie. And here's how our last cookie turned out. I think these cookies look good enough to eat. I wonder who might want to eat them. Stay tuned. For more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.